So in this video, I'll be showing you how to craft arrows in Where Winds Meet. Now the first step is to ensure that you're in a crafting area in the map. If you're not, then all you need to do is simply open up the map and look for this specific icon that tells you it's a crafting area. So it should look something like a table. If you don't find it in one place, simply go ahead and look for another one until you find it. When you select it, you should be able to see what the available features are in that crafting area. And if you see carpentry bench, and forge, you should be able to craft items. So now all you need to do is simply navigate to that area and then look for this specific table that allows you to craft. From here, you should be able to select the section for arrow. And once you're in the section for arrow, you should be able to see the arrows that you're allowed to craft. So I have this wooden arrow. Then you also have the option of crafting toxic arrows and flaming arrows. Bear in mind, with each arrow that you decide to craft, you will need to use required materials. So for example, toxic arrow, you can see I don't have enough materials required in order for me to craft this item. So in order for you to craft it, ensure that you have everything needed. Then from here, you can even choose the amount of arrows that you want to craft. And bear in mind, it will cost you some stamina. So if you don't have enough stamina to craft all of these items, then just craft until a point where it's safe for you. Once you've done that, simply select craft, wait for them to be made. And once you've done that, they'll successfully be added to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.